It's David Shelton, broker Century 21 Advantage. Welcome to your new home, 6501 West Jade Place in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. This mobile home was built in 2015. It is absolutely stunning. It feels new from every aspect. You walk in from the front door like we just did. This is the main area. It's the living area, a primary bedroom right off here, 2 guest bedrooms off there, a guest bathroom right there. We're going to go to the kitchen and dining area first. Gourmet kitchen. Look at this island in the center of the kitchen, a full complement of appliances including laundry. You've got a microwave hood fan, gas stove, just super nice. You've got an entry closet right here. Love these cabinets, beautiful, absolutely rich espresso color. If you like your coffee, you like your cabinets, and you are going to like this full complement of Whirlpool appliances. The gas gourmet range is a great place to start. It is incredible. Great, beautiful flooring. Color tones are handsome. Around the corner over here, there's a door that goes out to a parking pad that already has, it's equipped to be able to build a garage on, a 2-car garage. You come in from this door right here. Parking pad is right over there where you can put the garage. You've got your central air back here, and you've got a washer and dryer. A lot of space here to do the washing and drying. You've got big windows on the west side and the north side of the home. Just beautiful. Let's go into the living room. We've seen it. Well, let's see it again. Just super cool. Lots of space. Entertain your friends, family, whatever. We've got a primary bedroom right over here. Let's walk over to the primary bedroom. I love the access to the living room from all of the guest bedrooms. So cool. You've got a great bedroom here, a large bedroom. You've got a walk-in closet right here, which is super cool. And then look at the size of this bathroom. It's amazing. If you've got someone that is handicapped and they need a home that needs a large bathroom, this has got 2 sinks, a big counter. You've got a huge closet in here for linens and toiletries and all that stuff. And you've got a great toilet, and you've got some privacy, but you got sunlight as well. So very cool, big master bedroom. All the dimensions are listed with the listing. If you need more information about that, let us know. We also have financing available through 21st Century Mortgage. The guest bathroom is right here. Before we get to the guest bathroom, we've got a linen cabinets right here. So cool, well appointed. Again, color coordinated throughout the home with your flooring as well as the countertops. And then you've got a shower tub combo right here. Super neat. Let's go to the guest bedrooms, 2 of them. Both of them have corner closets, which is very cool, very handy right here. Lots of closet space in there. And then you've got 2 bedrooms that are, this is the smaller of the 2, but it's super great. You'll really enjoy it. It's nice to have separation between the primary bedroom and the guest bedrooms as well, don't you think? So here we are in the other guest bedroom. This faces the front of the house. Big bedroom again, this very cool corner closet. Lots of space in these corner closets. I think you're going to love them. Big windows throughout, lots of natural light, very nice carpet, well designed mobile home, priced at only $110,000. Really, if you're going to look at a mobile home and you want something brand spanking new, even with the nice touch of crown molding, you don't see that very often, but this home has crown molding throughout the main living area. So you're going to love it. We're going to love talking to you. The only thing missing in this home is you.